The Ghost Shark XL is an extra-large autonomous undersea vehicle developed by Endural Industries in collaboration with the Royal Australian Navy. This modular, multi-purpose marvel is designed to enhance naval capabilities with its stealth and long-range autonomous features. It is capable of operating at depths of around 19,685 feet and can remain submerged for up to 10 days. The Ghost Shark XL serves as a force multiplier for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike missions. This vehicle is a testament to Australian innovation, engineered to meet the challenges of modern submarine warfare. Steller Systems' Fearless MRSS is a state-of-the-art naval vessel designed for the Royal Navy. With a length of 170 meters and a full load displacement of 15,500 tons, it boasts a top speed of over 30 knots and a range of 7,000 nautical miles at 18 knots. This versatile ship is equipped for various missions, featuring 800 lane meters for vehicles, a stern ramp, and a side launch system for drones. Its formidable arsenal includes medium-caliber guns and missile silos. The Fearless MRSS also excels in aviation capabilities, with hangar space for 2 Merlin helicopters or a mix of helicopters and UAVs. This vessel represents the pinnacle of versatility and survivability in modern naval design, ready to handle everything from mine warfare to humanitarian missions in contested waters. The Self-Propelled Ocean Cage is a revolutionary underwater vehicle offering an unparalleled shark cage diving experience. Designed as a compact, two-person submersible, SPOC is a marvel of marine engineering, allowing divers to safely journey alongside the ocean's apex predators. With its self-propelled capabilities and a cruising speed of 5 knots, this cage is a game-changer for both scientific research and thrill seekers. Equipped with full-face masks for seamless communication, SPOC is your ticket to witnessing great white sharks in their natural habitat. Available exclusively through Pacific Fleet's Sakura Vortex, this yellow submarine-like cage is in high demand. Book your adventure into the blue today. The Triton 36,000 Type 2 is a groundbreaking deep-sea submersible designed to explore the ocean's most extreme depths. It can reach an astonishing depth of 36,000 feet, granting access to the deepest parts of the ocean, including the Mariana Trench. Built with a focus on safety and durability, the Triton 36,002 features a robust titanium and acrylic pressure hull that can withstand immense underwater pressure. This two-person submersible is equipped with state-of-the-art navigation and communication systems, high-definition cameras, and powerful lighting to capture and transmit vivid images and data from the ocean floor. Ideal for scientific research, deep-sea exploration, and environmental monitoring, the Triton 36,002 represents the pinnacle of underwater technology, pushing the boundaries of human exploration and enhancing our understanding of the mysterious deep sea. E-JetCycle reveals the Tri-Hull Recum, a bike that hydrofoils over water. As one of the coolest human-powered water toys of 2022, this French-developed E-JetCycle is a recumbent hydrofoil water bike that soars over the water's surface through human leg power. Recognizing that not every water cyclist is up for vigorous pedaling, E-JetCycle has introduced a new model with electric assistance to ease the rider's effort. The new E-JetCycle also features a pair of stabilizing hulls around the main cockpit, making foil cycling more accessible and further softening the learning curve. The Hydrone is an advanced underwater drone revolutionizing ocean exploration and commercial applications. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sonar systems, the Hydrone captures stunning underwater imagery and maps the seabed with precision. Its robotic arms can handle tasks such as collecting samples and performing maintenance, while advanced navigation and AI enable autonomous missions. Built to endure harsh marine environments and featuring extended battery life, it supports real-time communication with surface operators. The Hydrone is perfect for scientific research, infrastructure inspections, search and rescue operations, environmental monitoring, military surveillance, and underwater archaeology. Dive into the future with the Hydrone, where technology meets the deep sea. The Kite cargo ship concept is an innovative approach to maritime transport, harnessing wind power to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. A notable example is the Seawing system by Artemis, featuring a 2,700 square foot parafoil kite that flies 200 meters above sea level to capture stronger winds. This technology, tested on the Ville de Bordeaux, can save up to 20% of fuel and reduce gas emissions by the same margin. The simple bold-mounted system does not obstruct cargo operations and can be easily retrofitted during a brief port visit. The Seawing represents a significant step towards sustainable shipping, combining traditional and renewable energy sources to propel vessels across the oceans. The Artemis EF-12 Escape is a luxurious 100% electric water taxi offering a zero-emission solution for urban and resort transportation. It features patented Artemis EF-Foiler technology, allowing it to glide above the water for a smooth, quiet ride. With a top speed of 30 knots and a foiling range of 52 nautical miles, it can carry 12 passengers and 2 crew members. The EF-12 Escape is designed to minimize environmental impact, with reduced weight to protect sensitive shorelines and marine life. This innovative water taxi represents a significant advancement in smart mobility, combining sustainability with a premium travel experience. Valo Hyperfoil quietly walks back its speed claims as the prototype launches. Once billed as the world's fastest production electric boat and hydrofoiling craft, the Valo Hyperfoil has now hit the water as a working alpha prototype, but its claimed top speed has dropped considerably. The hydrofoil concept makes excellent sense for an electric pleasure craft like this. Lithium batteries can't hold enough energy to push a draggy hull through water for long. While more expensive and complex than regular boats, hydrofoils lift the hull right out of the water on stilts, significantly reducing drag and extending the craft's useful battery life.